Hello. Welcome to your progressive muscle relaxation session. Progressive muscle relaxation is an exercise that reduces stress and anxiety in the body by having you slowly tense and then relax each muscle. This exercise can provide an immediate feeling of relaxation, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. And it's best to practice each day or whenever you need to release tension. With experience, you will become more aware of when you are experiencing tension, and after listening to this video, you will have the skills to help you relax. During this exercise, each muscle should be tensed, but not to the point of strain. If you have any injuries or pain, you can skip the affected areas. Pay special attention to the feeling of releasing tension in each muscle and the resulting feeling of relaxation. Let's begin. To get started, sit back or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, or simply allow your eyelids to relax. Begin by taking a deep breath and noticing the feeling of air as it fills your lungs. Hold your breath at the top for a few seconds. And then release the breath slowly, allowing the tension to leave your body. Take in another deep breath and hold it. And again, slowly release the air. This time, at the bottom of the breath, gently tense your abdomen, squeezing out as much air as you can. Before releasing the tension, and even slower now, allowing the breath to fill the lungs, holding the air at the top. And as you slowly release the breath, imagine the feeling of tension and stress leaving your body, returning to the earth, grounding you in the present moment. As we begin the progressive muscle relaxation, move your attention to your feet. Begin by tensing your feet, curling your toes, and the arch of your foot. Hold on to the tension and notice what it feels like. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release the tension in your foot. Notice the new feeling of relaxation in this area. Next, begin to focus on your lower leg. Tense the muscles in your calves. Hold them tightly and pay attention to the feeling of tension as you inhale. And as you exhale, release all the tension from your lower legs and the rest of your body. And again, notice the feeling of relaxation. As you take another slow, deep breath, tense the muscles of your upper legs and pelvis. You can do this by tightly squeezing your thighs together, flexing your quads or your hamstrings, and make sure you feel tenseness without going to the point of strain. Breathe in and release, feeling the tension leave your muscles. Now breathe into your belly, feeling your belly expand like a balloon, and gently tense your stomach. Hold the tension, breathe in a little more, and as you exhale, release the tension, relaxing the abdomen, allowing your body to go limp. Let yourself notice the feeling of relaxation. Take in another deep breath, this time into your chest. Notice your lungs full of air and hold it. Flexing your chest muscles. And then slowly exhale, releasing tension as the air leaves your lungs. Next, tense the muscles in your back by bringing your shoulders together. Flex the muscles of your back tightly. Tense them as hard as you can without straining, and keep holding. Release the tension from your back. Feel this relaxation throughout your body as the tension leaves your body. Notice how different your body feels when you allow it to relax. Now, tense your arms all the way from your hands to your shoulders. Make a fist and gently lift your arm up from the surface, squeezing and holding tension as you breathe in and drop. Release the tension from your arms and shoulders. Notice the feeling of relaxation in your fingers, hands, arms, and shoulders. Notice how your arms feel limp and at ease. Move up to your neck and your head. Tense your neck and tense your face by squeezing all the muscles you can. All the muscles around your mouth and eyes, even your head and your neck. Take a deep breath in and release the tension. Again, noticing the new feeling of relaxation. And finally, tense your entire body. Every muscle from foot to head, your feet, legs, stomach, chest, arms, head, and neck. And tense harder without straining, and hold the tension as you breathe in. And now release. Allow your whole body to go limp. Pay attention to the feeling of relaxation and how different it is from the feeling of tension. Move your attention to the tips of your toes and gently scan through your body, noticing the relaxation and releasing any lingering tension from each body part as you scan up through your feet, your calves, your thighs and hips, your stomach and chest and back, shoulders, upper arms, lower arms, hands and fingers, your neck and your face, your entire head. Let's spend a few moments in this peaceful, relaxed state, free from tension, free from pressure, as we allow the body to heal. Gently move your attention to the movement of the breath. Notice the softness, the subtleness. Feel the abdomen rising and falling gently, slowly. Slow, effortless breathing. Gently deepen your inhales and exhales. Emptying the lungs completely on the exhale and filling the lungs up on the inhale. After a few deep, intentional breaths, start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Begin to wake up your body, moving your feet and your legs, your arms and your shoulders. Moving in whatever way feels good and feels best for you right now. You can gently stretch your body. But do so slowly and gently, lovingly, compassionately. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes.